everyone. Yes, I agree that India is useful in society. The main objective behind India is managing ourselves and managing others too. Maybe subordinates, superiors, colleagues. By doing MBA, in my point of view, we can think that every activity in terms of market aspects.
There are many techniques which are useful for the society. So the techniques are we are learning in MBA. So it is very useful for the society.
In the society, we find many things in scarce. A scarce of skilled human resources, a scarce of raw material, everything. The management people are the only people they can use the scarce resources in an efficient way to make their any production or any activity to make them more efficient. Through this, a scarce resources can be more efficiently utilized by the MBA graduates, which will be helpful for our economy. With the scarce resources, they can easily develop an economy. So, in no way we cannot say that MBA is not useful for society. MBAs are only graduates who can make use of societies in a great way by using the less scarce resources.
In my point of view, I think the MBA is mainly known for professionalism, as the present world is all about professionalism and managing each and everything in a proper way. So the MBA management students will manage each and everything in an equal way, and the most important thing is they can improve their communication levels.
MBA is a specialization by we know briefly about what is HR, human resource and financial management. By that we know that to maintain a good relations with the other departments also and to get organization aims.
MBA is communication. MBA is studying business point of view. And customer satisfaction is the profit and relationship is MBA. MBA communication is.
In my view, MBA is not only to study; it is a way of practical knowledge how to implement our ideas in society. MBA is in my point of view is MBA how to do the business. MBAs are they can say. Now organizations are doing the departmental levels, finance, HR, marketing. Compulsory they can do the business in all the departments. They can give the suggestions. Correct suggestions they can give, and organization goals are also achieving right way.
MBA is helpful to the society how to start a business, how to improve their business in a correct manner, and it will be helpful to the society. Many of the people are start their business and getting losses and lose their business. In that, MBA will be helpful to that kind of people to given the adequate ideas to ideas to grow their business continuously without getting a loss and without closing their business to their
From my point of view, in MBA, the major thing, most important thing is like doing marketing, which will be helpful for society very much. If we launch any new products in market, and we are learning in MBA about marketing. No, we are learning about MBA in marketing, and it will be very useful when we learn and we do business in. But we're going in public and doing marketing. So much will be learned from us in MBA, and which will be helpful for society.
So in my point of view, according to number 14, I agree with this that marketing is helpful for not only to the economy, not only marketing, but also the many specializations like finance, human resource and systems. So each specialization is also very much useful to the society in many ways.
In my point of view, management in MBA course is very useful to in persons, whereas in the administration level, the people who are doing this MBA professionals, they have to learn many things, and whereas they have to develop their knowledge and in a better manner.
MBA is useful in organization. how to improve the market, the sales of point of view. The sales will be increased, the organizations will be get profits. Otherwise, they have no MBA student or that type of skills in organization. The sales will be decreased.
Nowadays, MBA is very useful in this society. And how can implement the business plans and how can improve the business and they get the profits, and also how can improve the human resources and useful in the organization.
In my point of view, they are saying that MBA is useful as a professionalism, but nowadays there are many number of business people are lead their business without doing MBA because the management they know how to manage the people without doing MBA. In my point of view, without doing MBA, we can manage the things with our own ideas and
without doing MBA also she said a point of view. But nowadays the competition is low in society and some professions should be learned by us. By doing MBA it will be useful in the society.
Yes, I could disagree with that because she said it will easily manage people when you want to expand your business to further levels in foreign or something. Then you must have some of the communication skills regarding which we can learn from MBA easily. Communicate how to communicate in formal way with other persons, with other states, with other countries. Whenever you want to expand your business, you must have a clear understanding what are the rules and regulations which are followed by other countries and what are the rules we follow for exporting and importing. For this, the MBA knowledge is very much as experience is required, but till today, the experienced graduates are also doing the distance MBA to know the critical knowledge and to improve their communications and their way of behaving with the various type of customers in the environment. So,
Yes, I agree with Sarvana. Very good communication is a better way to implement our business in other countries also. So,
I agree with number 6 because MBA is not study purpose, practicing and how to start up our business and how to manage the customers in production process, sales, and how to improve ourselves, how to stand in ourselves, and to get the profits. Actually, knowledge has to become communication, and we can improve ourselves. MBA is the most important to start up business.
in my point of view, MBA is not only management of business. In other departments also manage like civil mechanism can also manage MBA students.
number 13, because he said MBA, if you do MBA, you can see no losses, you can minimize the losses. The person without doing MBA, he may have a finance to do business, but he may not no clear idea what will be the payback he will be getting, no financial ideas. When a person does an MBA, he will be knowing how the finance is invested, how he will be get back his finance, how can he manage all his, in case of debts, in loans he borrowed. It will be very useful. With this clear planning of what he is going to invest, what he will be getting back, he can easily know what will be the future losses, what will be the future profit, and with this estimation, he can happily run the business. Even financial institutions which are giving you the credit, they will know about what is your business and what will be your investment, what will be your return back will be getting from your business, how can you pay back our loan. It will be the required by the Indian financial institution this offering is known for you. For this, the finance in subject in the management will clearly teaches you on what will be the risk will be facing the investments, what will be the return will be getting, and what kind of uncertainties you find in the investments. All these topics will be very much discussed in finance topic, so that we can minimize and losses. Profits is expected. In case the losses occurs, it will be so minimum from my point of view.
Yes, us. MBA is very useful for us. MBA is very useful to society, but nowadays down for MBAs, how can down is mostly not available for college institutions. That means target for MBA persons.
MBA is useful in organizations. MBA students are not there in organizations. The business will be collapsed.
I conclude that in every organization there is one person. He is graduated with the MBA.
I conclude that in the most degree students are likely to get a job and settle in the initial stage only. Why these members are doing very wrong? We must specialize by particular specialization. By that we getting a knowledge about that, and due to that we can improve our efficiency in the organization, and to motivate to subordinates who are in the organization, and to get a profits, and to aim to achieve the aims